How to add layout grid in Figma. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to add a layout grid perfect for designing clean, responsive layouts. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded Figma on a device. After that, click on search bar and open Figma app. Now open an existing file or create a new one. After that, select the frame where you want to add the layout grid. Grids only apply to frames, not individual shapes or elements. On the right hand side, scroll to the layout grid section and click the plus icon. By default, it adds a square grid. Click the grid icon to switch to columns or rows depending on your layout needs. You can now customize the grid, set the column count, gutter, grid, margins, and even choose if it's left, right, or center aligned. Click the color box to change the grid color or adjust its opacity so it's visible without distracting from your design. And that's it. This is how you can add a layout grid in Figma. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.